Video gonna be about how to determine your lot size when you're going into the market. I got a comment from someone. They wanted to know if they had $1,000 account, what would be their lot size if they were trading 3% risk, right? So let's go over an example of that. And if you haven't already, come over to my Instagram, Pips all year, and come over here and follow me. I'll be posting some of my trades that I be taking, and here you can find a lot size template. You can also click the link in the description if you want to just download it. But you can go to my Instagram too. And I got this lot size template right here. And so you got micro lots, mini lots, and you got standard lots. Now these are the things that you enter into your platform when you want to tell either the MetaTrader 4 or Wanda how much you want to earn or lose per pip, right? So if I want to come in the market, I want to risk $1 per pip to make $1 per pip. I will come into my platform, either MetaTrader or Wanda. This side is MetaTrader. Then this side with the units is Oanda. So if I wanted to risk $1, I go into my MetaTrader 4 and I put in 0.1 when I'm buying or selling. And if I'm going into Oanda, I would do the units like this, right? So you got the micro lots, that's everything under $1 per pip. The mini lots is everything from $1 to 10. Anything over $10 per pip is a standard lot. Right? So how do you determine, based off of your account size, which one of these lot sizes you should be picking? So basically, what you want to do is, say for instance, you have $1,000 account, right? One second. All right. So say you got $1,000 account, right? You got $1,000 account. 3% of that account is $30, right? So the most you want to risk on your trades is 3%. So the most you want to risk is $30. So how do you determine the lot size? Basically, you have to go first. You have to figure out your stop loss, right? So say we were shorting right here. If we were shorting right here, our stop loss would be above our fractals, either our lower high, either above the lower high, or below a higher low, right? So if we came right here at the market, we see that we got our stop loss right here, 3 pips away. It's 3 pips away, right? So to determine our lot size for that stop loss, all we do is figure out how we can equal $30. So if we got 3 pips away, you could risk $10 a pip because $10 and 3 pips would be $30, right? So if you come over here, you don't got 10 right here, but basically it'll say, no, right here, $10. If you wanted to risk $10, you'll come into your platform, you can do one standard lot with a 3 pip stop loss, right? But that's only for this particular setup. So the higher you go on your time frames, the bigger your stop loss gets, right? So if I go to the hour, and if I was to go long right here, and I put my stop loss below this higher low point, now it's 18 pips because we're on a bigger time frame. So the stop loss is bigger. So if we got that $1,000 account, right, and we see that our stop loss is 18 pips away, how many how much can we put up now? You know what I'm saying? So to determine our lot size for that, I'm basically just you can either punch the numbers in or you can go to a calculator. So just to show you all the calculations, all I would do is if I could risk $30, right, and I got 18 pips, I got 18 pips. So say if I was to do $2 a pip, 2 times 18. All right, now we see that that's too much, right? That's 36. But just say we did a dollar 75 times 18. All right, that's still too much. All right, $1.50 times 18. That's 27. Now we're within our risk parameters, right? So that was $1.50. So then you go to the template. How do we do $1.50? Okay, it doesn't say $1.50 here, right? It's in increments of dollars. Okay, so what you do is you would take $1, that'd be 0.10, and then you see this 50 cent over here, that's 0.05. You basically just add it together. So it'd be 0.15. That's your lot size that you'll do. And if all those numbers is too confusing when it gets to calculating, all you gotta do is come over here, Google lot size calculator, Forex, babypips.com has a calculator for you. So you'll come over here, come down, go to the currency, your account balance, say if it was $1,000, you only want to risk 3%. Then you figure out your stop loss. Okay, my stop loss is 18 pips on the hour chart. Right. Come in here, choose the currency pair that you in, that you're trying to trade, calculate. Right. All right, that number, I don't like the number, but y'all see what I'm trying to do, right? So if it was 19 pips away, like I said, it'll be 0.15. Look at this standard the standard lot part right here. It'll be 0.15 that you put into your MetaTrader. How many units? 15,000. That's what you'll put in your Rwanda. Okay. So that's a quick and easy way if you don't want to crunch the numbers. Just come over here to the lot size template, position size calculator on Baby Pips. Just type in lot size calculator. It's gonna come up, and then you just come over here and do this. So then when your balance goes up, say your balance goes up to 1,200, and then you come over here and you find another decent trade. Or say you're on the day chart. The day chart gonna be bigger again. Like I said, the bigger you go, the bigger your stop loss. So if you came over here, you enter right here on this higher low. Stop loss below that, that's 82 pips away. Right. So on that same account, that same $1,000 account, you risk 3%, but it's 82 pips away now. Now your lot size got to come down because you got a bigger stop loss. So the smaller your stop loss is, the higher your lot size can be. The bigger your stop loss is, the lower you got to bring your lot size down so that you can fit this risk parameters. So now let's say your account you boost your account up to 2,000, right? And you got another trade that's 82 pips, right? Now you can put up more because it still will risk 3% of your account, but you can risk more now. So yeah, that's what I suggest y'all doing instead of coming and trying to calculate everything. I just wanted to show y'all how you can kind of figure it out on the fly if you can't get to a calculator or something like that. You'll just come over and just kind of put it in your head. Okay, I got 82 pips. If I was to at the minimum, I always think of $1. So I say, okay, if I can risk $1 per pip, that's $82. All right, if my 3% don't fit in that, then I gotta do some more calculations. Or you can just come to the calculator and do it like how we just did it. And then yeah, so then as your account rises, go to 2020, you know what I'm saying, it's going to keep rising or whatever. But that's how you calculate your lot size, man. If that was helpful, like this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Also, come over here to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I post content over there. And yeah, hopefully that helped. And if you like, again, if you need this template, the link is in the description.